Good morning, guys. Hey, I missed you yesterday. My wife and I were at a wedding, and so I'm back here on Tuesday coming to you guys with some good updates. So market's obviously turning around here. We're going to be talking about that. I want to go over and talk to you guys about the trades that we're managing right now because we're in the profit on trades we took in the inner circle on Thursday. If you guys are brand new to this channel, we have 122 wins with only one loss, and that was actually on Luna. We'll be talking and sharing with you guys how we're able to do that, and also be talking about some new trades that's we're actually in the profit on our 123rd trade right now. We may be exiting this soon. So this is just going to be strictly about how do you make money in this market right now and assessing where we're at. So let's dive on in, guys. We took a Bitcoin trade, we took an Ethereum trade, we took an ADA, and we took a Mana trade. This was on Thursday live in our inner circle. Those of you guys who don't know what that is, come over to the pricing, sign up. It's just $95 a month. We have a live Zoom meeting every single month where I call out trades. And then if I'm not live with you guys, I call everything out in the inner circle, the inside tips now. And that's where I end up calling them out, and you guys can see my entries there. But good news on that, everybody who ended up getting in with me there, guys, we are currently up this morning. So we're up $194, close to $200 on that 10,000. We only went in as a market order on a third of our position, and then we put two more buy limits below just to be safe in case this market hasn't reached the bottom yet. One of our guys on our team, Jake, was talking about the halving event of Bitcoin, where from historical data, we could be seeing a potential move down to about $10,000. So make sure you guys watch that video on our YouTube channel. But we've got a buy limit down here if we do to pick us up. So we're sitting in profit on that trade. Okay, let's talk about this, guys. Let's talk about April quick. I want to move around to different things this morning. This is going to be our 123rd win out of 122 wins and only one loss, which was on Luna. Let me show this to you guys. Here's what we got into right now. We got into a buy limit over here on June 1st, and then June 11th we hit our second, and then we actually hit our third buy limit on June 15th. All right, break-even entry is at 445. We're currently sitting up 6.80% right now. I am watching this very closely, and I will probably be calling an exit today or tomorrow. Why is that? We've got well money flow high. We've got trend exhaustion high as well, and trend exhaustion is already starting to head back down. So when this happens, we're starting to create a little bit of a form of divergence, which is called bearish divergence to the downside. So I am looking for a pullback here a little bit, probably down to the structure right about here. So I'm going to assess this. I do think we can squeak up here to about 5.15 at this strong resistance. And if we do, we could snag about 16% out of this. So I'd like to push us up into the double digits around 10% or higher, but I'll monitor this for you guys and call this out in Telegram. And then we'll get back into this trade to trade this with all of you guys. So that's a trade that's about to win. We've got all four of our trades in the profit there. Let's take a look, guys. Matic is looking good. It's got a nice little rebound here. Let's take a look at Sheep, up 28%. Woo-hoo. If you guys got into our scalping strategy down here at the bottom, you guys did very well. Again, we're only going for 4% for those of you guys who are in our scalping strategy. So you guys obviously just crushed it on that. So great job for those of you guys getting in and out of the market. All right, let's do an update on the SPY. I was talking to you guys about this on Thursday, and this was my call. I said, I expect to see a bounce down here at this zone, and we nicely got a bounce here. So the question is this morning that you all need to be paying attention to, and myself as well, is how high is the S&P 500 going to move back up? Because this is a really good time for you guys to have gotten into positions. That's why we took all four of these positions when the S&P 500 was this low, and now we're moving back up. Well, the first resistance that we need to be watching for is sitting here right about at the quarters theory level of 375. So we definitely want to watch that. And then after that, we push up to the 400, which is actually pretty high. So quarters theory, 375. Everybody just needs to watch that this week. Most likely, we'll probably get up to about right here, and we'll see a little bit of a drop back down. Scalping trades, best spot to get into scalping trades are right there. Here's how you guys scalp with us, just so you know. Front page, go over to tradeconfident.io, and you guys click Get Started right here. It's just one link now, and this is how we scalp, okay? If we come out here and we win this trade here on Solana, this will actually be, and are we in the profit? I believe we are in the profit. Yeah, we're slightly in the profit here. Here's our take profit on Solana. This will be our 9th for 9th win, and this will be putting us at 36% profit on our scalping trade since May 18th. So 36% that we've gained in the market since May 18th. Depending on if you use the first, second, or third buy limit, you guys can calculate that out, but that's how much we've pulled out of the market. So, and that strategy is using this one on the front page, which I'm telling you guys right here. Okay, we condensed our indicators down into one basic metric, which I'll go over, and it's really simple. So that's what you guys need, the indicators in the membership. Okay, let's go over, let's see, what else I want to talk to you guys about? I want to talk to you guys about the charts. Let's see where Bitcoin's at. So Bitcoin, diving into this morning, giving us an update. Bitcoin is seeing this. Let's start with here. We saw money moving out of Bitcoin relative to the overall market, but we're starting to see a little bit of move back in. I think people are starting to pull their money out of USDT and USDC, which USDT is just crazy. People are shifting a ton of money into USDC. But since people are starting to see this market turn around this morning and they're waking up and they're like, oh, like Matic's up almost 12%. We got Shiv up 28%. People are going to start shifting their money out of their stable coins and putting it into the market because they don't want to miss out on the move up. Okay. Moving down here, we're sitting in a very neutral section here. So, what's the percentage chance of heading down or moving up? It's very neutral this morning on Bitcoin. We're just going to be watching this because right here, we're creating a nice, high, low, lower high, possibly just going to be pushing right back down. Let's watch that. We do see while money flow is high, trend exhaustion is high, and around these areas in the past, we look for drops back down when we hit the top sections here. These indicators in the description so you guys can snag these because this is where we're going to be using to actually look to exit some of our scalping trades. So when these get high up here, on the daily time frame, that's where I'm going to be looking to exit those other coins that we got into actually on Thursday. So we're not there yet. I think we can pull some pretty decent profit out of these trades, and that's where I'm looking right there, looking for well money flow to get high. This is the next drop I'm looking at for crypto. If you guys are in long trades and you're like, where's the best spot to exit? I think this is the best spot. Why? It's because of the accuracy of this and how they've called drops in the past. So trend exhaustion high, well money flow high, the price loves to move back down. It's just where the whales are going to take their profit. This is tracking what's happening with buys in the market. When this gets really high, the whales are going to shift over to doing sells, and that's going to drop the market. Trend exhaustion high shows the trend is overextended, and it's going to be looking for a drop back down. You saw this up over here. We see this up over here as well, calling the peaks up here before we drop. These two indicators are the best two indicators to call tops and bottoms in crypto. The absolute best two. They're 82% off. They're in the description. We've had that sale going for quite a while, so snag it while it's slow because we are looking to up the prices of that bundle pack. Okay, that's where I'm looking to exit. I think we can probably snag about $200 to $300 worth of profit out of that. Actually, we're already at $200. So I think we could probably push to $300 to $400 profit on those trades we took Thursday. So that's where I'm looking at as far as an exit. Okay, so that's just basically an update for you guys. We're looking for a 123rd win. That's going to be on Ape, and then we're going to get back in there. Once we exit that trade, I will tell you guys and call out in Telegram, hey, we're getting back into Ape. Here's the link to get back into the trade. So make sure you guys are subscribed here because that will give you access in the Telegram channel. Telegram channel is right there. And then also be watching, guys, for me to update you guys on Solana in the Telegram because this is getting very close to being in the profit. We're going to be looking to take some profit there soon for 4% scalping. And then we're going to be looking to take some profit on these four. So this week, I want to do this video. This week is all about looking to take profit in the market if we get to certain levels, but we're also going to be looking to manage our trades in case we see a move back down. But overall, I've been saying to you guys, I think we're due for a move up here soon. And this may have actually been the bottom, possibly. And so I'm glad we got into this trade. I'll keep you guys updated. The indicators are in the description. Start trading and start scalping. That's the best thing to be doing, guys. I'm not a financial advisor, but that's what you guys should be doing is scalping with these indicators. That's where people are making the money over here. And we've got guys down here, let's do $1,200 here only using two indicators. Those are the ones I showed you guys, trend exhaustion, price for swell money flow. And then we've got guys over here doing 4 trades in a row, 4%. That's our scalping strategy. This guy down here does, let's see, what is he off? Doge took off 24 hours, 5%. So just keeping it real, not doing like crazy big flashy stuff down here. We've had people do thousands of dollars a month and $5,000 with the indicators. And this guy over here did $23,000 with our indicators. Check this out. This is actually pretty crazy. Let me see if I can find this real quick for you guys. So this guy down here takes our indicators. This guy does 6,310. Again, this is with our membership. Just showing you guys what people are doing. It's kind of fun. 3,500 using the indicators and the metrics. And then this guy down here, where did our $23,000 dude go? Anyways, I'm sorry, I might not be able to find it. I don't want it to take a lot of time to do, so I want to show you guys something else. Oh, $23,000 using 2 indicators in one single week. The indicators these guys are talking about are these over here. They're called it's the trend exhaustion, and it's the price versus well money flow. Once this market starts turning around, and we may be at that point right now, calling the tops and the bottoms are going to be so important. That is where you guys are really going to be making the money. I believe scalping this market in and out is the best thing to do right now. On a fast drop like this with Bitcoin, chances are on a fast drop, you're probably going to see some sideways movement for a while, which gives you guys the best time to scalp the markets. And I'm going to be calling more scalping trades out for our membership. So if you guys are in the membership, I'll call it out for you guys. If Solana wins, that is 9 out of 9 trades won for a 32% profit since May 18th, guys. That's over 1% a day. Over 1% a day profit called. And I've done that on YouTube here. I'm going to be shifting that over to our members only. So if you guys want to join, definitely do that. You need the indicators. Here you guys go. This is all the indicators right here. You get lifetime access, one-time payment, source codes are all yours. And not only are the source codes all yours, you get all the indicators, guys. And just for fun, this is definitely our number one selling product because it's the most value for the greatest discount. So all these indicators are yours here, guys, with the bundle pack. So make sure you snag this, and I will see you guys later. Make sure you have a membership. I'll be calling out in the inside circle, as well as the inside tips. Excuse me, guys. I'm messing this up here. Inside. Inner circle. I've got too many inners and outside stuff. The inner circle is where we hang out every month on Zoom. The inside tips is where I want you guys to be watching because I'm going to be calling out scalping trades here. And I'm also going to be looking to call all the exits for our trades here, which will all be posted in Telegram. Okay, so Telegram access, I'll give you guys links to everything I do. So that's where you guys can stay in communication with every trade I take and every exit. So with that said, guys, I'm looking forward to an exciting week. I love you guys. God bless you so much. I'll come out with maybe one more video today to give you guys an update. But get the membership over here. This is where I'm going to be calling more wins. We're going to be looking to exit. Again, Solana is going to be literally 36% profit we've taken out of the market since May 18th. Over 1% a day, which is pretty amazing. So we'll keep that streak going. I love you guys. We'll see you later. Everything you need is linked in the description and to the first comment of this YouTube video. And I will see you guys later. Bye, guys.